Vertical video shorts. You can go viral real easy on shorts, but people aren't going to remember you. They'll forget very quickly. You know. Yeah, you want to do long videos. I get my best views on the shorts, but your subscribers will ghost you. Yeah. Woo! YouTube's not simple. But I'll teach you how to do it easy. I do. For you. When you're creating content, weave in your uniqueness. That's what sets you apart from AI. Be authentic. Be yourself. Tell raw stories. People want to connect with real. They don't want fake. There's too much fake. And across this saturated platform. Yes, be authentic. Be unique. Tell raw stories. Be yourself, folks. People are connecting to truth. You build trust on YouTube or anywhere else. You know, it takes time to build trust. You have to show your face, show up on schedule. I'm a person that I start having panic attacks if I'm not on schedule. Because I've always been on schedule. I raised so many children. They had to be everywhere on schedule. And myself, too. So, yeah. Be authentic. Be yourself. And I'll see y'all later. Toodaloo. Thumbs up. Be authentic. Raw stories. Unfiltered truth. During this time on YouTube, everything is resetting as we speak. The algorithm is resetting, y'all. And, you know, set yourself apart from AI and be authentic, be unfiltered. You know, build your audience on unfiltered truth and talk through your lens to you. I love you guys. Just a little reminder to be yourself because you're beautiful. That's right on. Right on. Have a good day now. It's righteous. Righteous. Right on. Time for you. Yeah. You're not a machine. You're a human being. Human beings were made to create. We have a light that shines so bright within us. We're made to create. Humans are made to create. No, we are not machines. We have instinct, stories, real life events to tell you, for you. Tune into your for granny for real old lady stuff. It can get funny, but I'm here for you. Simple. YouTube, mindset, motivation, focus, authentic. Authentic me for you. See you soon. I gotta go. Toodaloo. Good vibes. People are turning out because they're starving for something real. Be yourself. Do not try to be something you're not. Be authentic. Be you, because you shine. You shine so bright. You're chosen one. You're chosen. I'm chosen to make videos for y'all. It was calling. Good vibes, yeah. It's unfiltered truth. That's what breaks through. I'll see you in the next video. Before Granny is out. Lickety split. Whoop. And a snap.
Game over.